right? In a situation we've seen artists like Mary J. Blige and all that divorced her husband, and she now has to pay him certain amounts of money, and in fact half of our property had to go to him. So is that the same in Nigeria, or what makes our own system here different when it comes to a situation of divorce? Because some people, especially women, we've seen a lot of the time that women are, when it comes to divorce, women in this part of the world, suffer the most when it comes to, custody of children and getting the finances and all of that. So what's the difference, and how can that situation be solved, so to say?
Thank you so much. Now, even our divorce system or statutory marriage is largely informed by our customs, what we are used to, customary law. And a number of marriages in Nigeria, a large percentage of them are just based on customary law. And the customary law doesn't really give provision or makes provision for aftermath of a marital breakdown. It's all about you're married, stay together, against all odds. So there is no provision for if it doesn't work. So it's just like trial by error. And being the customary society is such that the man is very dominant and endearing, and as such, things are going to be done in their favor. But now, coming back to statutory marriage, which is now a thing we are trying to, import from the Western world, there are provisions that protects women. Then, but the process of enforceability or the practicality of them becomes another issue, not just the lack of the law itself. But now, so we have the Matrimonial Causes Act and the Matrimonial Causes Rules that makes provision for certain circumstances in such relationship. So yes, payment of alimony. So
by alimony, you want to explain what that means? So
yes,
people understand.
An alimony is a situation wherein the providing spouse or partner, being it a man or a woman, in the time of the marriage, is still obligated legally to take care of the other spouse after the divorce, or even during the separation period, if that is the case, until they remarry or something like that. Yes, got a job, or the person remarries on the same level that they were when they were still married. So yes, it's not, you can't live like a president, and when your wife is leaving or you want to send your wife away, then she lives like a pauper when alimony orders are made. So you have to maintain her in